Good morning, children. We are going to do revision of chapter 2, The Little Fir Tree, in our English workbook, page number 9. The Little Fir Tree, text based question. Read the extract given below and answer the question. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant him, said the magician. Over here we have to read the extract first and then we have to follow the questions which are given below and then we have to write the answer. So what is the question? Who is the speaker of this line? Who is the speaker of this line? Means who said these words? So magician is the speaker of this line. Who is the speaker of this line? Magician is the speaker of this line. Why did the speaker thank the listener? Why did the speaker thank the listener? The speaker thanks the listener because it helped the magician from getting wet. What happened? The speaker thanks the listener because it helped the listener from getting wet. Question 3. Who had been kind? Who had been kind? In this line, the fir tree had been kind. The fir tree had been kind. Now, fourth number. Synonym of kind is. You have to say what is the synonym of kind. Synonym: considerable, A. B. Ungenerous, C. Strong, D. Soft. So synonym of kind is soft. So we'll put a tick on soft. Next, I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. The next day is glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. Over here, the fir tree had wished for the glass leaf and next morning he got the glass leaf. So looking at the glass leaf, he was very much happy. What did the fir tree wish for the third time? For the third time, the fir tree wished to have glass leaves. What was his wish? To have glass leaf. What do men not steal? Men does not steal glass leaf. They do not steal glass leaves. They do not steal glass leaves. What happened the next day? Next day, glass leaves shone in the bright sun. What happened next day? The grass leaves shone in the bright sun. Simple present tense form of shone is shining, shine, shined, shining, is shining. Simple present tense we have to find out of shone. So it is what? Shine. So we'll put a tick on shine. Now we'll go to the next page. State whether the following statements are true or false. We have to say whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Shetty saw an ugly fir tree. Was it true? No, false. So we have written false over here. Second number, Shetty wanted to enjoy the rain. Really it was like that? No, again this is false. It was not like that. 3 number, Shetty wanted to reward the tree. Yes, Shetty wanted to reward the tree. 4 number, the tree was very sad. True. Right now the tree was very sad because of the needle-like leaves. 5 number, the tree did not want the birds to make nest on it. So what is this is also false. The tree did not want the birds to make nest on it. He had needle-like leaves. So no one was paying attention to that tree. Even birds were not making nest on that tree. Sixth number, a goat ate all the golden leaves. Can a goat eat golden leaves? No. So this is also false. A man stole the glass leaf. This is also false. Can a man stole the glass leaves? No. The golden leaf shone brightly in the sun. Yes, this is true. The golden leaves shine brightly in the sun. I'll go to the next page. Short answer type question. What happened suddenly in the beginning of the story? Suddenly it began to rain in the beginning of the story. If you remember what it was, a heavy rainfall, so it began to rain. 4 number, who looked around for shelter? Shetty the magician looked around for shelter. Who looked around for shelter? Shetty. In the story, who was the person? Magician. His name was Shetty. So he was looking around for shelter. Who was happy and why? So Shetty was happy because he did not get wet. Again, Shetty was happy because he was only the person who looked around for the shelter that time. What was the reward? 4 wishes were the reward. Shetty was so much happy that he granted 4 wishes to the tree as a reward because he did not got wet. What happened to the green leaves? Goat ate all the green leaves. What happened? Goat ate all the green leaves. What did the fir tree wish for the second time? The second wish of the fir tree was gold leaves. What he wished? He wished that his leaves would be of gold. Long answer type question. In the end, the tree wishes to have its old needle-like leaves back. What lesson do you learn from the story, The Little Fir Tree? In the end, what happens? The tree wishes to have his old needle-like leaves back. So, what lesson do you learn from the story, The Little Fir Tree? The lesson we learn from the story is that we should be happy with what we have in present, and we should not give importance to the things which we do not have. What it means over here? It says that we should learn from the story that we should not give importance. We should be happy with what we have. In the story, we learn that we should be happy with what we have in present, and we should not give importance at all to the things which we do not have. I'll go to the next page. Match the following. Column A, column B. One on this side, column A, we have Shetty, green leaves, golden leaves, glass leaves, fir tree. And on B, we have thief, wind, needles, magician, goat. So now what we are going to do, looking at the A, we have to check with B. So Shetty. So Shetty is a magician. So here is the correct answer. Shetty is a magician. Here 1 number. Green leaves. So what it will be? Goat. Right? 2 number. The goat had eaten away na green leaves. Golden leaves. So 3 number is thief. Who stole golden leaves? The thief came and took it away. Glass leaves. So 4 number is wind. What is the glass leaf? Wind. The last is fir tree. 5 number. So over here it got back its needle-like leaves. It got back. Now we'll go to the next page. Correct the spelling of the following words given in the story. SHLETRE. So what is the correct spelling of shelter? SHELTRE, shelter. 2 number is REWARD, reward. Correct spelling is REWARD, reward. 3rd number BIGNES, DRS. Correct spelling is BIRDS, birds. Fourth number, MORNING. So correct spelling is MORNING, morning. Fifth number, LAEVES. So this is the correct LEAVES, leaves. Sixth number, SURPRISED. This is the correct spelling of surprised. SURPRISED, surprised. STOLE, stole spelling we have to write correct. So STOLE, stole. NEDLES, correct spelling is needles. NEEDLES, needles. Give the antonyms of the following words. Heavy, HEAVY, heavy. So it is light, LIGHT, light. FAST, fast. So it will be slow. Fast है तो slow, SLOW, slow. HAPPY, happy. So SAD, sad. WET, wet. DRY, dry. KIND, kind. UNKIND, unkind. FRIEND, friend. ENEMY, enemy. BRIGHT, bright. So DULL, dull. And last is what? BREAK, break. So it is repair, REPAIR, repair. Now correct the following sentences. Shetty were a magician. We have to correct the sentence over here. Is it a correct sentence? No. The correct sentence is Shetty was a magician. 2 number, it were raining heavily. This is the correct answer. It was raining heavily. It was raining heavily. The fir tree have leaves like needle. The fir tree has leaves like needles. Shetty was a magician. It was raining heavily. The fir tree was like a the fir tree has leaves like needles. What do the fir tree has? Fir tree has leaves like needles. Okay children, so this work you have to do in your English workbook only with neat and good handwriting. Now we will go to the next revision, that is write the correct option. Now we are going to do write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. 1 number, Shetty was a dash. Farmer, king, woodcutter, magician. So what is the correct answer? D, magician. Here D is written. 2 number, Shetty took shelter under a banyan tree, mango tree, fir tree, neem tree. What is the correct answer? Fir tree. So C we have written over here. Shetty was happy because he did not get wet. It rained. He granted 4 wishes. The fir tree was kind. First one, he did not get wet. So A we have written in the box. Now we'll go to the next page. Shetty granted dash wishes to the fir tree. A5, B4, C3, D2. So what is the correct answer? B4. So written B over here. 5 number, the fir tree did not like its leaves because they were of gold like glass, green like needle. Correct answer is D, like needles. The fir tree's first wish was to have dash leaf, gold leaves, glass leaves, green needle like. So it is correct answer is C, green color. What happened to fir trees' green leaves? They dried up. A man stole them. The wind broke them. A goat ate them. So what is the correct answer? A goat ate them. So we've written D over here. Now we'll go to the next page. The fir tree's second wish was to have leaves. So which kind of leaves the fir tree second wish was? A. Gold, B. Green, C. Glass, D. Needle like. A. Gold. What was the wish? A. Gold. We have to write A in the box. 9 number. What happened to the fir tree's gold leaves? What happened to the fir tree's gold leaves? A goat ate them, a man stole them, the wind broke them, they fell down. A man stole them. So B number. The fir tree's third wish was to have dash leaves. A. Gold leaves, B. Green, C. Glass, D. Needle like. So fir tree's third wish was to have a glass leaf. So C number. So tick on C and write C in the box. Next page. What happened to the fir tree's glass leaves? What happened to the fir tree's grass leaves? A man stole them, the wind broke them, a man broke them, a goat ate them. So correct answer is B. And we write B over here. The wind broke them. Right? No. The glass leaf was broken by the wind only. 12 number. The fir tree was happy in the end because it got back its needle-like leaves, gold leaves, glass leaves, green leaves. So what is the correct answer? Needle-like leaves. So we have written A over here. We'll go to the next page. Now tick the correct answer. The pretty little fir tree was happy with the old leaves, but a goat came along and ate them. All the leaves got wet in the rain. A man stole them. So what is the correct answer? A man stole them. A man stole them. So we put a tick over here. Go to the next page. The fir tree was sad. The fir tree was sad because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle-like leaves, because it was very short. So what is the correct answer? B1. Because it had needle-like leaves. 3 number. The fir tree was not happy with the green leaves because a goat came along and ate them. A man stole them. The leaves broke. So what is the correct answer? A. The goat came along and ate them. Now we go to the next page. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. The poet feels that her is the funniest thing. So what is the funniest thing for the poet? It is the nose. So you have to write nose over here and we have to write in the box B answer. The 2 little holes in the nose are for looking, B reading, C breathing, D eating. So what is the correct answer? C breathing. If you want to laugh, just look at your nose, face, head, hair. So nose is the correct answer. A1. Now we'll go to the next page. Okay children, so write the correct option. This exercise is over. Please write this exercise in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.